excited. I finally got an embroidery machine. So this is just going to be like a little introduction, just showing you guys like what it came with and everything of that nature. The Brother SE600, it came with all of these tools, and I'm kind of still working on how all the functions and everything work, but for the most part I got it down packed. So be looking out for more videos. A little quick introduction for the Brother SE600. I'll do more videos with showing you how it works, how you thread it, bobbin, all of that nature. So hit that notification bell to be notified when I release new videos. So my next couple videos will be embroidering, so just in case you guys like it and you might want to grab it too, and we can do some projects together. So yeah, so make sure you look out for those.